Hi everyone, myself Neha. I am assistant professor in RPIIT College Bastara. Today I'm going to discuss about aims and objectives of cooking, texture, preparations, techniques, methods of cooking, etc. In this session, firstly we talk about aims and objective of cookings. The aim or the intention of cooking is to see that food cooked and undergoes a physical and at times chemical changes and that the end result is edible and acceptable. Cooking transfers the raw material to an edible form. Cooking makes food material safe for consumption. Cooking party fertilizers food above 40 degrees Celsius so that the growth of bacteria falls off rapidly and boiling kills the living cells. Cooking makes food material easily digestible so that cooked food is absorbed by the digestive system. A physical change occurs when a substance changes its form, color, or size but still remains at the same substance like water that changes to ice. A chemical change occurs when substance changes form, color, or size combining so as to form an entirely new body. Example, milk changes to the curd. Cooking makes food more attractive in terms of taste, flavor, color, etc. and increase its palatability. Palatability stands for the property of being acceptable for the palate and mouth. Cooking gives us the ability to prepare different types of prepared food with the same raw materials. Cooking increases the taste and palatability. Cooking provides different dishes made from some materials. Cooking ensures complete meals in terms of physical requirement and use of various ingredients to provide a balanced diet. Now we talk about texture. Texture describes the characteristics of finished food products. Example: appearance, mouth feel, softness, feel to touch, firm and close, short and crunchy, light even, spongy, flaky, smooth. Now we discuss about techniques used in preparations. Pre-preparations. That's our washing, peeling, paring, cutting, mincing, shredding, emulsifications, grating, grinding, meshing, sieving, refining, rendering, filtration, evaporation, reduction. Now we talk about preparation of food. What methods we use, techniques we use in preparation of food. First one is beating, blending, creaming, folding, kneading, maintaining, stirring, steaming, whipping, whisking. Now we talk about safety procedure, handling equipment. Most of students and also the aspiring cooks suffer from back pain and spinal injuries in their industrial training because of aspiring cook, because of training, because of their wrong posture. Kitchen can be potentially dangerous place to work and cooks and staff face a range of health and safety risks according to survey. Slip trips and wool are some of many cause of injuries. However, there are unaccountable number of risks in lifting and carrying heavy basket of food, community sports, pans, and heavy food pans containing items, high pressure in the kitchen, smoke, which is not good for patients of asthma, the use of chemical equipment such as knife, food slicer, many other sophisticated machinery can cause an injury. Sometimes stray kept trolley, protruding pots and pans, or being struck by falling objects, or even at times being exposed to hardness and toxic chemicals are also major cause of accident in this workplace. I hope you guys understand. Now just share, subscribe our channel, our YouTube channel.